In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to work with more than one currency in your company file, QuickBooks Desktop gives you a built-in setting for that. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the option, what to pay attention to before turning it on, and how to save your changes correctly so everything is set up the right way. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. From there, select Preferences. This will open the Preferences window where you can manage different settings for your company file. Once you're in Preferences, look for the option called Multiple Currencies and click on it. After that, go to the Company Preferences tab. This is the section where you can enable currency settings for the entire company file, so make sure you're in the correct tab before moving forward. In the Company Preferences tab, select Yes to use more than one currency. As soon as you do that, QuickBooks will display a pop-up message with important notes. Take a moment to read this carefully before clicking Yes. This message is there for a reason because enabling multiple currencies can affect how your company file works going forward. It's important to understand the information shown in that pop-up before you confirm the change. After reviewing the message and confirming that you want to continue, the next step is to choose your home currency. Your home currency is the main currency your company will use by default, so make sure you select the correct one. This is an important choice because it helps QuickBooks handle transactions and reporting properly. Once you've selected your home currency, click OK to save your changes. That's all you need to do. QuickBooks will now be set to use more than one currency based on the settings you just updated. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check your selection before saving, especially when working with financial settings. Even though the process is simple, taking an extra moment to review the pop-up message and your home currency choice can help prevent confusion later. And that's it. You've successfully updated the currency settings in QuickBooks Desktop. Thanks for watching.